Hi, in this tutorial we're going to look at how to manage product categories. Now we can see we're already logged into the Animal Guard website administration system. You see it over here, and from the left hand menu we're going to go to products, and then we're going to click on the categories option. And that'll bring us up the category screen where we can see what categories have already been created, and on the left hand side we have options to create a new category. Now, quick note here on this is a special system category called uncategorized, and you should not try and do anything with it because it's there as a repository for products that you forget to assign a category to. So if you see this number here being more than 0, that means you have products in this category, and what you should do then is investigate and remove them, or move them to a proper category. Now, if we want to add a new category, then we go over here to the left hand side and we type in the category name. We'll call it microchips. The slug will be set by the system, so don't enter anything into that field. Parent category, well, we've no category set up yet, so we'll say this is a top level category, so we'll leave that. Description is typically not used, so I wouldn't spend any time putting anything in there. Display type, leave that as standard. And the final thing is to select an image for the category. So we can go ahead and press this button, and then we can select an image that we've already uploaded, or we can upload a new image from our computer. And here we'll upload this microchips image. Once the image has been uploaded, then just click on the Use Image, and we can see now that image has been assigned to this category. So once we're happy everything's correct, we can just click on Add New Category. And here we go, here's a new category. It's certainly a good idea to set up your categories, or at least your basic categories, before you start loading products, so you don't keep having to jump out of products to come in and load categories. Now, if we want to add a subcategory to microchips, we simply go through the same procedure. We'll call this small microchips. Again, we leave the slug blank and we'll set the parent category to microchips. Then we'll assign an image to this category, and we'll just pick one of our microchips images. Again, we'll click on Use Image. And once we're happy everything here is correct, we'll click Add New Category. And now we can see here on the right hand side that small microchips has been added as a subcategory to microchips. So both of those categories are now ready to put products in. So that's how to add categories. Now, if you want to remove a category, obviously it's a good idea to make sure there's no products assigned to that category. So typically you would make sure the count is 0, and then you'd simply hover over, and then you can select Delete. And that category is now being deleted. If you want to make changes to a category, you just simply hover over and click the Edit button. And then you can change the name, the slug, if you want to. You can assign a parent category. And you can even go here and change the image if you want. And obviously when you're finished making changes, don't forget to click the Update button. And then you can just click the Back to Categories, and that'll take you back to the main categories page where you can see what you've set up and carry on adding more categories. That concludes this tutorial.